Alright, and we back at it again. Another tutorial. These are damn near my livelihoods now. Trying to build this stuff up so I can, get right. I haven't eaten all day, so I'm doing this tutorial off an empty stomach and just hungry. But that ain't nothing. Well, this haircut consists of a low temp, taken off the top. Unfortunately, my camera had died before I could get to shape it up and show you guys the finished results. So I can only show you guys the results of the fade. No hairline. I'm taking it down. The guard I got on my clippers right now is a 1.5. Excuse my tiredness. I'm trying to find motivation to make this video. 1.5. I'm gonna speed through the process. When I'm taking his hair down, buddy has a lot of coarse hair. I don't rotate the chairs to really show you guys the full head. I don't know why I do that. I'm really more focused on showing you guys just the basics of the fade and taking hair down. You guys don't really need to see the whole head for that. But yeah, he has coarse hair, so in the middle of his hairline, the hair moves in different directions. Happens to the best of us. Not all of us are birthed with perfectly straight hair in the front. I didn't tell you guys my client's name because of privacy reasons. If you know him, you know him. After I went on the 1.5, I used the 1.5 so I can take all the extra hair without taking too much hair off. Because if you jump straight from the 1.5, if you cut the hair off the top and you jump straight to the one guard, either closed or open, there's a possibility you can take too much hair off the top, especially when you're dealing with waves. Like the waves, since all the hair is laid up on top of each other and stuff like that, and it's not standing up, you have a possibility of cutting way too much hair off when you go too low in the first run. So you gotta see where his hair is at. Speeding through the process, I'm using a 1.5. I'm using a one guard now, open, and what I'm doing is I'm taking it halfway and I'm closing it at the same time. I'm closing it when I get to the front, so I can get a more firm cut down and stuff like that. As you see, his hair is officially being taken down now, and what's it called? So the first guideline, just the trimmers. I gotta make that first guideline so it don't just be bald like that and stuff like that. You know how it be. Then I'm using the second one. This one I went straight ahead and went straight through the whole thing. Using the clippers, the bare clippers, open, full. Then I'm gonna, okay, you can look at it for a while. Okay, I grabbed I didn't make no cuts because this is just the temp fade part. So I'm grabbing the one guard, open, full. You guys see in the top right corner. I don't really gotta explain that stuff no more because the words are here. And when you using the guard, depending on whether you want to make it a hard guideline or a soft one, you can use the flick method to soften it up so you can close out and take the lines out better in between. Then I'm going with the 1.5 to get that blending from the top of the one open to the rest of the hair, because I just don't want a thick line going through the hair from the one guideline open. And if you hear my voice right now, it sounds a little bit raspy. It's because I am taking a venture on not smoking. I don't want to smoke no more. It doesn't do nothing for me. And I'm sitting here trying to make these videos off of hunger and not smoking. So hopefully these videos can take me to a different place. Hopefully I just hop on a video when I get distracted or I feel like I need to do something different. Until my voice clears up, it's going to be sounding like this for a while. This is just what happens. I just finished using the zero guard close. Now I'm using a one guard close flick method. You don't want to go too hard on the hair. As you can see, the skin is pulling, but I'm barely touching his skin. I'm barely touching him. Even though the skin is pulling and you see the skin moving with every touch, just a soft touch, not too much. And at the end of the temple fade, I'm just showing you guys this one side. I'm gonna use my clippers closed and halfway open throughout this part because I'm just knocking the bottom line out, so the fade could actually look like it's fading from skin. And you see here now, I open it kind of halfway. I don't really do a full open until I really get to the end, and that's the hairline, and that's the temple fade. That's a temple fade for you. bald temp fade. Don't let nobody get it twisted. I don't know the difference between the taper and the temple. The taper, I call the taper a higher fade up. Tempo is just right at the ear. Is where the boxers hit to really make you like delusional in life. Hopefully you like this tutorial. I'm making these tutorials for a long time now. Subscribe, like, keep watching my videos. If you want to know more, just leave a comment, and my website is in the link in my bio. Thank you for watching my tutorials. And I'm still cutting the hair though. I'm just departing, you guys. I didn't even get to shape up nothing. It's crazy out here.